Let's learn different sounds of letter A. A sounds A. Its first sound is A, like B at the bat, M at the mat, K at the cat, S at the sweat. When letter A comes in between two consonants, it makes sound A. K and a can, M and a man, P and a pen, V and a van. B a g bag, T a g tag, S a g sag. When letter A is followed by letter R, it makes the sound R, like R car, R far, R jar, R war. When letter A is followed by letter W, it makes sound aw, aw. S a w saw, p a w paw, l a w law, j a w jaw. Also, when it is followed by double L, it makes the sound aw, like b all ball, h all hall, t all tall, m all mall. When letter E comes at the end and it is a silent E, or letter A is followed by I or Y, it makes a long sound A, like ape, cake, rain, play. When A letter follows letter W, it makes the sound walk, want, watch, wash, water. Let's read a story with letter A sounds. Sam is a cat. Sam is fat. Sam sat on a mat. Sam has a friend named Dan. Dan is a ram. One day, Sam and Dan saw a bag on a mat. What is in the bag? Asked Dan. Sam hit the bag with a tap tap tap. Out ran a rat. The rat ran into a van. Sam and Dan chased the rat to the van. But the van was too fast. Sam and Dan were sad. So Sam and Dan sat back down on the mat. Sam took a nap, then had a bread and jam. Let's practice the A word together. K at a cat, F at a fat, R at a rat, M at a mat, S am a Sam, R am a ram, J am a jam, D an a dan, V an a van. T ap a tap, N ap a nap, B ag a bag, S add a sat. So, if you like the video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.